Create urgency on your landing page and encourage more visitors to take action? In this video, I'll show you how to add a countdown timer in System.io. Step 1. Log into your System.io account and click on Funnels. Open the funnel that contains the page where you want to add the countdown timer. Step 2. Click Edit Page to open the drag-and-drop page editor. From the Elements panel, find the countdown timer element. Step 3. Drag the countdown timer element onto your page. Place it above your Call to Action button or below your main headline so visitors can easily see it. Step 4. Click on the countdown timer to open its settings. Choose the timer type, set the end date and time if you're running a limited time offer, and customize the colors and style to match your page. Step 5. Click Save Changes, then preview your landing page to make sure the countdown timer is working correctly and looks good on both desktop and mobile devices. And that's it! You've successfully added a countdown timer to your System.io landing page. If you'd like to build high-converting funnels with System.io, check out my affiliate link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Funnel Growth Lab, and turn on notifications for more easy, step-by-step tutorials.